the Kade District Court in the Eastern Region has remanded 5 persons in connection with the assault of Michael Quason, a teacher at Kade Senior High Technical School. Well, the accused persons appeared in court on Wednesday, January 7th, where 4 of them, all adults, were remanded into police custody after pleading guilty. The 5th accused, a 17-year-old juvenile, was remanded into police custody. The court ordered that all 5 accused persons reappear on January 20th. The juvenile's case will be handled separately by the juvenile court in line with legal procedures. Well, family members and some of the accused persons were visibly emotional as they were escorted into the police vehicle and driven away after the court proceedings. The assault, which sparked public concern, is being treated as a serious offense as the investigations continue. But concerns are emerging over the way the issue has been handled, to the extent that it took the president to intervene for a criminal act like that to receive attention. Let's get some clarity on that and bring in the Ghana Education Service. The spokesperson is Daniel Fenyi. Thank you very much, Daniel, for your time this afternoon. Do you agree with those who say that the Ghana Education Service did not take this issue seriously until the president himself addressed it?
Yes, indeed. Let me thank you for the opportunity. And let me indicate that the Ghana Education Service is an agency that works with and for the government. We work closely with the government, and so if at any point in time the president expresses strong interest in a particular matter and follows up very keenly on that matter, and the Ghana Education Service also works closely to bring some finality to the matter, there's no point for controversy at all. The two institutions, the president or the presidency and the Ghana Education Service, work in tandem. The whole goal is to ensure that the welfare of the teachers, the safety of our teachers, is protected. What do our teachers do? They help our learners. They groom them, they train them, they teach them. And so the last thing you would expect from a learner or a student is to beat or assault the teacher when they are only going about their job or their duty, trying to groom the next generation. And so, yes, I should confirm to you that the president has followed the issue very keenly and has expressed very strong concerns on this. And the Director General of the Ghana Education Service has also shown extreme interest in the matter. And from day one, we have engaged all the stakeholders, from the regional director of education to the teacher himself who was assaulted, family members of these students. There have been conversations right from day one when the matter came out. We have had discussions, and the Director General has indicated strongly and made sure that the Ghana Police Service and the legal systems will take over the issue. And it was yesterday that they were brought to court. They have been remanded. So for us as Ghana Education Service, we don't see any point of divergence at all from the Ghana Education Service or with the Ghana Education Service and the president. We don't see any point of divergence at all. We are working together, working closely. And in fact, the Ministry of Education, the Honorable Minister, has also expressed very strong dissatisfaction about the conduct of the students. And so the 3 teams or the 3 bodies are working closely together to ensure that no teacher is assaulted or harmed in line or in the course of discharging their duties.
Yes. And the man at the center of it all, the teacher who was unfortunately beaten, according to President John Dramani Mahama, took some money and decided to settle this case out of court. Is that something that worries the Ghana Education Service?
It does. In fact, on the first day of our meeting, Director General himself was quite disappointed that for a serious matter as that, the teacher would settle the matter out of court. We were not excited about that development. We thought that the teacher should have drawn the attention of management so that management takes it up. Because for some of these things, we don't take it up only because we want to punish the student who conducted the act, but we also want to deter others from conducting the same or similar act. And so we didn't consider it expedient at all that the teacher would settle the matter out of court. So when it came to our attention, in fact, that's the more reason they didn't report to us. Management got to know of this issue when it came out on social media, and that is where we took it up. And for us, we're not very happy when per our investigations, we realized the teacher didn't want the matter to proceed to court. But thankfully, the state itself has taken over, because for us, it is not an attack on an individual teacher, it's an attack on the profession. And we believe that the entire profession should not be happy about the development, and the entire profession, I mean, the entire teaching profession should show strong disagreement to what happened, for which reason the state itself took over the issue, yes.
And Daniel, has the Ghana Education Service gotten in touch with the man ever since?
Yes, I mean, we are closely in touch with, in fact, even in the processes of the court, taking the matter through court and everything, GES was there throughout. I mean, our reps, so i.e. regional directorate, district directorate, and even at the national level too, we have been part and parcel of the entire process. So yes, we are in touch with the teacher himself.
Okay.
We are in touch with the school, the district, making sure that everything goes very.
Daniel Fenyi speaks for the Ghana Education Service. Thank you very much for your time this afternoon, Daniel.